This is the first time the Transalp got me stuck. And these are the tires that I run. Hello everyone and welcome to my first moto vlog session. I guess it's time for me to try this. For you guys following me already know that I ride a almighty Transalp right now. This is 2005 year model Transalp 650. Yeah, the Transalp almighty. We're gonna take a little downhill today. In the future I'm planning doing more of these motovlog type videos. I'm planning on doing a review, complete in-depth review of this motorcycle, as well as the Honda Transalp 700 and my Ducati Multistrada 1000. So that are the future plans, but we will see how it goes. I'm actually right now I'm testing this cheap microphone that I got. I placed it inside of my helmet just to see how it sounds. Okay, and now I'm gonna hit this downhill back home. Today it's first really hot day, really hot spring day. This year was quite a rain. Let's see how this track is. I'm afraid that there is a lot of mud and I don't like mud very much, not with these tires that I have right now. With these tires that I have the Rally Scorpion Trail 2. They are not exactly an off-road tire, but I manage to drive even on some dirt. Wow, this was a close one. This is what I'm talking about. These tires, they don't have any grip on the mud. I didn't realize because it's a lot of shadows here, so I did not see that mud actually. But let's see. I'm afraid that this trail has a lot of mud, but I will try to make it anyway. I like this trail especially in the summer when it's really hot. It's in the middle of the forest and it's always cool here. The temperature, if it's around 30-35 degrees outside temperature, here in the forests it's around 25. As you can see, I ride the old trustworthy Transalp 650. It's been serving me well so far. It's not made for this type of trails, but if you take it easy, you can handle it, especially once I get a better set of tires, because this one is not for this type of riding. Oh fuck, now I'm screwed. Let me try to get out of this ditch. I don't know how much battery do I have left in the GoPro, but let's see. So many beautiful trails in this forest. Oh fuck it. This is a lot of mud for my mighty Transalp. I think we have to kick it a little bit. Yeah, it's good. I mean, these tires really surprise me. It's almost purely a road tire, but it can handle this just if you take it easy. So this is my first moto vlogging, or my first conversation with some of the people on the internet who watch my videos. By the way, I have like 270 subscribers, which is really nice for me. I didn't expect that, because most of my writing was focused only on videotaping. I never spoke. Wow, this trail is getting worse and worse. Let me lower the camera a little bit, just that you can see better. Anyway, I'm a little bit struggling with the settings for GoPro for the exposures. When I ride in the forest, I have a lot of videos that are overexposed in these contrasts. Transalp has really soft suspension for this, so if you push it, it tends to bottom out a lot. I'm considering on putting the progressive springs in the front, or maybe even some spring in the rear. I was looking at the cheap solutions like Hyper Pro. This is nice. I would like if I had slightly better tires for this type of terrain, so that I can just be a little bit faster. But I almost fell earlier, so the best thing for me is to take it easy. Look at this shit. This is really, really terrible mud. And it's fuck. I did not expect this. Fuck it. If I get stuck here, I'm screwed. I don't know how deep this is, but I have to try. Almost. Fuck it. Let's shut it down a little bit. I did not expect this. I tried by myself, but I cannot do it. I don't have enough equipment or a little shovel to try to dig this out. But I can call for help because it's really close. So I waited for someone to give me a hand, maybe even pull me with the 4x4. This is the first time the Transalp got me stuck. And these are the tires that I run. Oh, beautiful street tires. I guess they are good. This is the proper test. Okay, I'm out. Look at this bad boy. At least there's a good video out of this, of me getting stuck. Let's go. From here on, the road is decent. As you can see now, It's fine. That was my last checkpoint and I failed, but I did not expect that. Here we have some mud too. In case I was somewhere remotely, I would struggle a lot to get this bike out. And I wasn't using the good line also for that crossing. But I made it with the help of my dad, who's on the Aprilia Pegasus 650. But I made it. What a lovely day to test out the microphone.